Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how safety pins are made. Well, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory tours.
Safety pins start with strong steel wire, which is fed into machines for shaping.
Next, the wire is cut into small pieces, each ready to become a safety pin.
Machines then bend the wire into the familiar safety pin shape with high precision.
This small coil acts like a sprung, helping the pin open and close smoothly. The tip is sharpened to make it easy to use, but also handled carefully for safety.
This cap locks the pin securely, making it safe to use.
After shaping, the pins are polished to give them a smooth and shiny finish.
Each pin is tested to make sure it works perfectly.
Now you know how safety pins are made. Like and subscribe for more amazing factory videos.